Have you ever said, go to home? If you have, don't worry. It's a very simple mistake, especially among Polish learners. But today, I'll show you why it's wrong and how to fix it. In English, home is a special word. It often acts as an adverb of place, meaning it tells us where, just like here, there, or outside. And when a word acts like an adverb, you don't need a preposition like to. We say, I went home. She returned home. We walked home. Not I went to home or she came to home. That's incorrect. Just like we say, she went outside or he ran away. We don't say she went to outside or she ran to away. It's the same thing with home. But when can you say to home? You can say to home if you use a noun phrase like to my home, to their home, or to the home. For example, I returned to my home after work. Or they drove to their home quickly. This works because my home, their home, and the home are noun phrases. You are using home as a regular noun. So, to is correct. But when you use just the word home as a place you are going, it becomes an adverb and you drop the to. Let's compare. He came home. He came here. He came back. He went outside. She ran upstairs. These are all adverbs of place. No to is needed because the word already tells us where. So just remember, if you use home without a word like my or the, it acts like an adverb and you don't need to. So now you know. Go to home is out. Keep it natural. Go home. Come home. Return home. Did you used to make the same mistake too? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's learning English. See you next time. And don't forget, you are doing great. Bye.